Manual or automatic, the ultimate gearbox showdown. Whether you're a seasoned driver or just starting out, this decision can shape your entire driving experience. But which one is right for you? Today, we're breaking it all down. They're good, they're bad, and the gear grindingly ugly. Buckle up, let's get into it. First up, the basics. In a manual car, you control the gears. It's like conducting an orchestra. A little clutch pedal here, a gear change there, and voila! You're in harmony with the road. Okay, fine. It's hands-on, engaging, and for some, the ultimate driving experience. Meanwhile, automatics, they do the hard work for you. No clutch, no gear changes, just two pedals, go and stop. Perfect for city traffic or when you just want a stress-free drive. So which one is better? Honestly, it depends on your driving style, where you're driving to, and what you want from a car. Let's break it down. If you love the thrill of driving, nailing every gear change and feeling connected to the road, then a manual's probably better for you. But if your daily grind involves bumper-to-bumper traffic, or you live in Milton Keynes and have to tackle endless roundabouts, then automatic might be better suited. Let's start with automatic, the pros. They're easy to drive, less tiring, and perfect for stop and go traffic. Plus, modern automatics can actually be a lot of fun. Smooth shifts, responsive performance, and a touch of luxury. But the downside, when automatics go wrong, they can be pricey to fix due to the additional complexity under the bonnet. And not every automatic delivers a great driving experience. Some can feel sluggish and disconnected. Now, let's talk manuals, the pros. They're usually cheaper, simpler to maintain, and let's be real, nothing beats the satisfaction of the perfect downshift. Manuals make you feel like Lewis Hamilton, even on the morning commute. But here's the catch. Constant gear changes can be a pain. I mean, you'll be changing gears more than a DJ at a rave, especially in heavy traffic. And if you're after the latest driver assist tech, such as adaptive cruise control, it's often reserved for automatics. If you're just starting your journey to securing that all-important driving license, here's the deal. Learning in an automatic is easier. No clutch, no stalling, just focus on the road. But, and it is a big but, an automatic-only license means you can't legally drive a manual. On the flip side, it is worth bearing in mind that with the future of driving looking more and more likely to go electric, the thought of driving a manual vehicle may quickly seem irrelevant. Picture this. You've just touched down in Alicante for 10 days of fun in the sun. An automatic-only license could leave you a little bit stuck if your holiday rental car is a manual only. If you opt for a full driving license, not only will your options broaden, manuals will typically be cheaper to rent. Once upon a time, manuals were the fuel-saving champions. But today, automatics have closed the gap, sometimes even beating manuals thanks to the advanced tech. Just make sure to check the manufacturer's economy figures before buying. Oh, and don't forget to compare emissions. They could affect how much road tax you pay. So how do you decide? Ask yourself this. Do you love driving, or do you just want to get from A to B with minimal effort? Are you tackling city streets or cruising open highways? And most importantly, what makes you feel the most happiest and comfortable behind the wheel? At the end of the day, there's no right or wrong answer. Manuals are all about connection and control, and automatics are about comfort and convenience. Try both, see what suits your style, and remember, it's your car, your choice. Whatever type of car you're thinking of buying, applying for car finance with Carmula is easy. Just download the app and start the process. Got questions? Reach out to us. We love to chat.